So if you have become uncomfortable with the world events that are going on, and if you're thinking about putting your nose into learning about the afterlife, the spirit realm, spiritual things, the omnipotent and omnipresent friend Yeshua, come around here, because Grandpa Honest Guy spent the past 30 years observing those Christianity places that I used to slander. Discover, learn. There's a wealth of knowledge. Just do a search on Family Honesty Church, do a search on Grandpa Honesty Guy, and you'll learn some stuff. Now, oh, where have you been, my blue-eyed son? Where have you been, my darling young one? I've been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. I've been 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain. It's gonna fall. You know, they're putting articles on the internet about what happens when a nuclear blast happens. And they've been exposing the fact that they've known how to make tsunamis and flood low-lying coastal areas. They have the ability to wipe out large portions of the population. And you are not immune from the attacks. So it's important to learn how to gather together, listen to the Holy Spirit, and know where you're supposed to be and what you're supposed to be doing. If you're supposed to be wiped out by a nuclear blast, well, guess what? May you be full of celebration in the midst of the blast. And if you are supposed to be far away from the trouble and in a safe zone, may you learn how to hear from the Spirit and actually be willing to be like Ruth and Naomi and break from your home, your comfortable place, everything that you know. May you be willing to break from everything that you know in order to connect with the sent one and a circle of safe male human beings who are in confession and communion. Connect. The whole reality of Yeshua is connect with the sent one and build honesty and communion in a neighborhood setting of friends. So they're warning us about a nuclear hard rain that's going to fall. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain. Gonna fall.